What's up, gang? It's your bunch of me back in another video. And today we're about to see make a gold play buddy. But I don't know how to make it gold, but I got silver, so. But alright, let's get into it, dude. Alright, you got a piece of paper. Got a piece of paper, but you got ready in the back, so I don't put it back there. Got a piece of paper, and you write the stuff for me. Alright, so follow me. So I'm gonna show you that in a minute. Like you can make your own gold play, but like silver gold play, but all you got just any designer, like any. Like you write your name. My name is really Jameer, but I write my username Kaden, so my real name is Jameer Ford. So I'm gonna make mine like Jameer Ford. So. And I just write my name. You see that? And and you write. If y'all know how to spell YouTube, but I don't know how to spell, but I know how to say it. So I know how to spell. I don't know how to spell it. So I'm gonna say YouTube with the gold seal. I know y'all can't see it. Oh, there you go. There you go. So YouTube. Okay, that's how you spell YouTube. Yeah. That's how you spell YouTube. It's too far back. There goes YouTube. Okay. With my pencil. With my pencil. With my pencil. With my pencil. Pencil. YouTube. YouTube. I spell YouTube. But, and if you want to make colorful stuff on it, I don't care. Like any color, like any color you need, like crayons. Use the crayons, grab the crayons. Whoops. Okay, I got all these crayons. I'm gonna pick like boys' colors, like girls' color or boys' color. I'm gonna pick these colors on the side and then blues. These two colors. I'm only picking two colors. This last. No, hold on. First, second. This is second. First. This first. No, girls go. Girls color go first. So I'm gonna pick girls. So you know girls do girls. So I'm gonna do the sides, and I'm gonna show you when I'm done. So guys, I'm done with the side, and I'm gonna lose boys' color. So I'm done. So I'm done with this. So look, it look cool. Give me 10,000 likes if it look cool. If it don't, I'll quit YouTube. So in the back, don't worry about the back. So this is how you make a play button. This is how you make a play button, and also and I'm gonna show you one more thing for I do. I made a play button, and it's not that good. So it look like a. My real name is King. My name is not King for real, but it's just my name. So I'm gonna show you the pictures. Here's the shadow of the day.